Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Just Chat English podcast. I am Ashley, and I am really happy you are here with us today.
And I am Jack. Hi, everyone. Great to have you back for another episode.
This podcast is for English beginners. We speak slowly, and we use simple words so you can follow along easily.
And remember, if you do not understand everything, that is completely fine. Just rewind and listen again. Every time you listen, you learn a little more.
Okay, Jack, what are we talking about today?
Today, we talk about something that a lot of people struggle with: feeling confident.
Oh, yes. Confidence is something so many people want more of. And today, we talk about what it really means and how to build it.
Ashley, would you say you are a confident person?
It depends on the situation, honestly. In some areas of my life, yes. But in other areas, I still struggle.
I think that is very normal. Nobody is confident in everything. We all have areas where we feel unsure.
Exactly. And I think that is actually an important thing to say at the start. Confidence is not about being perfect or fearless.
Yes, it is more about believing in yourself, even when things are hard or uncertain.
And that brings us to our first word today, confident.
Tell us, Ashley.
Confident means you believe in yourself and your abilities. You feel sure about what you can do. You trust yourself.
Like when you walk into a room and you feel comfortable. You feel okay being yourself. You are not hiding or pretending. That is confidence.
So you can say something like, I want to feel more confident in social situations.
Or, she is really confident when she speaks in front of people. It is something I admire about her.
You know what I find interesting? Confident people are not always the loudest people in the room. Sometimes the quietest person is the most confident.
Yes. Confidence is not about showing off or being loud. It is about feeling comfortable and secure inside yourself.
Exactly. It is an inside feeling, not a performance.
And our second word is really connected to confidence. The word is courage.
Oh, yes. I think courage and confidence are best friends.
Courage means the strength to do something even when you are scared or nervous. You feel the fear, but you do it anyway.
Like when you have to speak in front of people and your heart is beating fast and your hands are shaking, but you do it anyway. That is courage.
And every time you do something that takes courage, your confidence grows a little more.
So you can say something like, it takes a lot of courage to try something new.
Or, I am really proud of you. That took real courage to do that.
I think a lot of people wait until they feel confident before they try something. But actually, it works the other way around.
What do you mean?
You do not wait for confidence and then act. You act first, and confidence comes after. Every small, brave action builds your confidence over time.
Oh, that is really interesting. So confidence is something you build by doing things, not something you just have or do not have.
Exactly. It is a skill you develop, not a personality type you are born with.
That is really encouraging to hear, because I think a lot of people believe they are just not a confident person, and that will never change.
And that is simply not true. Anyone can build confidence. It just takes small steps and time.
Okay, everyone, quick break here. If you are enjoying this podcast, please like this video and subscribe to Just Chat English podcast.
It is completely free, and every like and subscribe really helps other people find us. Thank you so much if you do that.
Okay, word number 3. And this one is something that gets in the way of confidence a lot.
What is it?
The word is doubt. Doubt means you are not sure about yourself. You question your abilities. You think, maybe I cannot do this. Maybe I am not good enough.
Like that voice in your head that says you are going to fail, or that people will laugh at you, or that you are not smart enough? That is doubt. And everyone has that voice. Even very successful and confident people have moments of doubt.
The difference is that confident people hear that voice, but they do not let it stop them.
Yes, they acknowledge the doubt, but they act anyway. They do not let it make decisions for them.
So you can say something like, I sometimes doubt myself, but I try not to let it stop me.
Or, it is normal to have doubts. What matters is what you do despite them.
I had a big moment of doubt last year when I had to give a presentation at work. I almost said no because I was so scared.
But you did it?
I did it, and it was not perfect, but I did it. And after that, I felt so much better about myself.
Because you proved to yourself that you could do it, even when you were scared. That is how confidence grows.
Exactly. Every time you do something despite your doubts, you prove that little voice wrong.
Okay, word number 4. And this one is really important for building confidence over time.
Tell us, Jack.
The word is improve. To improve means to get better at something over time. Through practice and effort, you become more skilled.
And this is so connected to confidence because when you see yourself improving at something, your confidence in that area naturally grows.
Yes, if you practice speaking English every day, and after 1 month you notice you understand more, that improvement makes you feel more confident.
So you can say something like, I can see myself improving, and that makes me feel really good.
Or, the more you practice, the more you improve. And the more you improve, the more confident you feel.
I think a lot of people give up too quickly because they do not see results immediately. But improvement takes time.
Yes. And sometimes you improve without even noticing it. And then one day you look back and think, wow, I have come so far.
That is such a good feeling. Looking back and seeing how much you have grown.
It really is. And that feeling is connected to our last word today.
Yes, our 5th word is proud. Tell us, Ashley. Proud means you feel good about something you did or about who you are. You recognize your own effort and achievement, and you appreciate it. Like when you finish something difficult and you think, yes, I did that. I worked hard and I did it. That feeling is pride. And I think being proud of yourself is something a lot of people struggle with. We are often our own harshest critics.
Yes, we notice every mistake, but we forget to notice and celebrate what we did well.
So you can say something like, I am really proud of how far I have come. Or, you should be proud of yourself. You worked really hard for this.
I think one small habit that really helps confidence is to end each day by thinking of one thing you did well that day.
Just one thing?
Just one.
It does not have to be big. Maybe you had a difficult conversation and you handled it well. Maybe you finished something you had been avoiding. Anything.
And that small moment of recognition each day slowly builds your self-belief over time.
Exactly. You train your brain to notice what you are doing right instead of only what you are doing wrong.
That is such a simple but powerful habit. I'm going to try that tonight, actually.
Okay, time for our recap. 5 words from today.
Let's go.
Number 1, confident. You believe in yourself and your abilities. I want to feel more confident in social situations.
Confident. Such an important word.
Number 2, courage. The strength to do something even when you are scared. It takes a lot of courage to try something new. Courage. Doing it even when you are afraid. Number 3, doubt. When you are not sure about yourself. I sometimes doubt myself, but I try not to let it stop me.
Doubt. That little voice we all have.
Number 4, improve. To get better at something over time. The more you practice, the more you improve.
Improve. Progress takes time, but it happens.
And number 5, proud. You feel good about something you did or who you are. I am really proud of how far I have come.
Proud. A feeling everyone deserves to feel more often.
5 really powerful words today, and all connected to something we all work on every day: believing in ourselves.
Your homework today is this. Tonight, before you go to sleep, think of one thing from today that you are proud of. Just one thing, and really let yourself feel good about it.
And write in the comments, what is one area of your life where you want to feel more confident? Tell us in English. Just one sentence is perfect.
And remember, just by listening to this podcast in English, you are already being brave and building your confidence. So be proud of that.
If you liked this episode, please like this video and subscribe to Just Chat English podcast. It really helps us reach more people. Thank you so much for listening today. We will see you in the next episode. Bye-bye, everyone. See you soon.
Bye, everyone. Take care.